Okay, so on this video, I'm going to modify those two outer cabinets to a custom depth of 15 inches. All right, so here I'm cutting the panels down to size. So I had to transfer the toe kick from the front edge of the side walls to what's now the front edge of the side walls and make that. And now I've got to drill the holes for the adjustable shelf pins. Now that we have the sides modified, we'll go ahead and assemble the cabinet. We're going to use glue and screws and L brackets. Okay, so now I'm installing the hinges on the doors and the doors onto the cabinets. And that will be about it for assembling these boxes. Thanks for watching.